Your mission, ROCORI, should you choose to accept it, is to get into the minds of children, gain access to their brains, and fill it with vast amounts of knowledge, including book smarts, life skills, respect, manners, social skills, emotional intelligence, and sometimes even the basics, like using the bathroom and loading the bus. You have exactly 173 days to complete this mission, at which point a new batch of recruits will arrive with the exact same directives. The race is on. The clock is ticking. It is our desire to be a leader in public education in central Minnesota. Use technology to help solve the corruption that sneaks into your realm. Be prepared. Have all the equipment ready to go, even masks if you need them. Stay focused. No matter how dangerous the mission, we're dealing with kids' futures here. Be committed and take risks to save the world, one Spartan at a time. We want the best. Friends, it's go time.
Hello, we're here with Tanya and Kendall, and we're at Cold Spring Elementary, and we're building some things. Tanya, what are you building?
I'm building a rocket ship.
A rocket ship? That's awesome. And over here, Kendall, what are you building this morning? Uh-oh, our magic hat fell off. Kendall, what are you building this morning? Say that again. You are? You're building a car? Wow. So kids are building today and learning some things about STEM as they work through different mechanics and different projects throughout their classroom. We got another base being built. So how are we going to get that? How? Well, here's the top. Put that on there. And then put that over here.
Does anybody
Well, then we're gonna go 3 high. We're just gonna go 2 high. So that's gonna be this one over here. Some of our smallest builders in the district. Let's go see what the high school kids are building. Today we're visiting Mr. Filzen's carpentry class. It's time to get up on the roof and get some sheeting on this morning. Safety first. All right, let's go to work.
If I had a hammer, I'd a hammer in the morning, I'd a hammer in the evening, all over this land. I'd a hammer out danger, I'd a hammer out a warning, I'd a hammer out the love between my brothers and my sisters, all over this land. If I had a bell,
Mr. Filzen has a construction class that meets at ROCORI High School, and we were able to go out and visit the construction work site. And there is a lot of opportunities for our kids that they get to see and do firsthand. What type of doors are you hoping to open for these high school kids?
We're trying to get them job and career ready right now. At this point, they're seeing every aspect of actually building the house from the bottom up. And by the time this term or this year will be done, we'll have all the rough part done. And then next year, the finished carpeting comes into play. So that's when we get into the cabinets and the flooring and trim work, all stuff like that. Right now, it's installing everything: insulation, roofing, shingling, siding, everything. So we go into a lot of different aspects. When the electricians come out there, we send some kids out that want to maybe be an electrician, so they get to see what that's like. And then a lot of problem solving stuff comes into play here. Whether it be figuring out where to cut the sheets at for the roofing, or how to cut angles for the roof. The dormer that we have right now has caused quite a few problems for hanging sheets up there. So they get to see kind of all aspects, and we get to work in the great Minnesota weather. We go
Awesome.
from t-shirt weather one day to blistering winds the next day, and now we're working in the snow, and so they get to see kind of everything of what goes into play.
Thank you very much.